Um, it's at night now. So last year, um, my daughter and I, and my mother-in-law, in fact, we started itching at night, especially scratching ourselves, itching and getting like blisters and pimples, and then they just fed away and left spots all over the body. Mine were like big blotches, my daughter like small little pimples, not a rash but like actual pimples. And yeah, I actually also at the clinic they gave me an injection for antihistamine injection. I slept there in the clinic for like 20 minutes because they told me if I tried to walk out of there or even drive out, I would faint in the road. So they made me sleep there for like 20 minutes, and then I was allowed to leave the clinic. And then they also gave me like antihistamine creams like Milocort, and I bought myself Allergex as well, a cream, and also like medicine for myself and my daughter, and also this soap. And I think also Dettol soap can help. It also helps with that. So that was gone the whole November, December, because that thing started like July last year, and by August, no, by October, I was just like really tired and annoyed of this, and that's when I went to the clinic. But by mid-November, December, we were okay, we were fine. We just left with the spots all over the body, marks and stuff like that. But now it's back. I don't know why. I started itching a few days ago, so I'm gonna try the soap again. You can wash with this soap, and you can also use it, like leave it on your body and just like smear over your body or apply over your body. And you can I also they gave me these pills as well, and also I did also buy like Allergex pills, but I find these very effective than just the normal Allergex pills. So I'm gonna buy these again because this pack is finished. And then the other thing that I wanted to try, instead of a tissue oil, because it's very hot, I'm gonna try this. This is a body lotion. It's got tissue oil. This is the first time I'm gonna be trying this, but I thought because it's a lotion and it's got tissue oil, and also it's got it targets the scars, stretch marks, which I don't care about, but the scars that the pimples left on my body last year, and because now I'm developing more pimples and they're gonna leave scars as well, or spots. So I think this will be good, but I'm going to try it, and then I'll do a review probably once I see that it worked. I'll keep you guys updated on that. So yeah, anyway, it's at night now. I'm about to wash, so I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna apply this on my body.